Vistula River. So just to my left is the Vistula River, and we are waiting.
Done before. It's for you. I don't.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here at the Vistula River, and we got some bands. Basically we are going to take a free ride for a ship in the Vistula River. So just to my left is the Vistula River, and we are waiting. The time is at 2:30, so we are waiting for that.
So this event that we are here for is for celebrating the Vistula River.
Please wait. Done before. It's for you. I don't stick. It's with this. Go 10 minutes before. Okay.
During the summertime in Poland, we do have such events all the time for the people to be engaged because everybody is waiting for summer, and we hardly see the sun in Poland, so it's very important that we have events and we enjoy our days.
That's the police on water. Probably they are going to save someone.
So events like these, basically this is a musical event, and the lady in the middle, she is playing, and she's also teaching others how to play that. So as this is a summertime, all the time when you visit River Vistula, you will find ships like these, and you can hire them, board them, and go over the River Vistula. It's really soothing because the cold wind from the river is on your face, and it's very beautiful. This is our boat, and it took us from one beach to the other side of the other beach. So we have two beaches on the River Vistula, and it took around 1 hour for us for the whole trip. So there were only 8 to 10 people on a boat, and everybody's enjoying the breeze. And that's our captain, and behind the captain is the Polish flag flying. Now I'll leave you to enjoy the beautiful sceneries.
had a very nice time today. We went to the Vistula River. We had some fun. It was a great ride across the river, meeting some other people from other boats. Enjoyed my time. I hope you also enjoyed the vlog. See you in the next one. And until then, have a nice time.